Martino, let me small thing. Hey, I'm going to cross them, Mulo Mad. Let me small Tino, let me small thing. Hey, I'm going to cross them, Mulo Mad. Now we know be there. I said, I'm first and flush. How are you? The motor has grown like you, but I'm not going to study. Anolata, Echebonta, Anola Halata, Echebonta, Baluala, Ala Wimby.
Okay, my beautiful people, we're back again with the latest update from Biafra land. What is happening in Biafra land? As you can see, the Biafran Liberation Army, led by Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, are doing wonders and the needful in Biafra land. Right now in Biafra land, the zoo police are collecting woto from the Biafran Defense Forces and Biafran Liberation Army. As Prime Minister has tweeted and commends the efforts of the Biafran Liberation Army for doing what the Biafrans demand from them in making sure that Biafra land is safe and secured for the indigenous citizens and residents of Biafra land. What we are seeing right now is taking place in Biafra land as the zoo have abandoned their cars and the pig race. You know, my people, since this war started, we warned the zoo army, that they will be collecting woto as far as they are in Biafra land. You can see Ala Igbo na agbagharaghara. Ala Igbo na agbagharaghara right now. No peace for the wicked. As the situation unfolds in Biafra land, it is crucial for Biafrans to remain united and steadfast in their causes. The support and solidarity of fellow Biafrans as well as the international communities are essential in navigating through these challenging times. In conclusion, the call to stay strong resonates with the spirit of resilience and resistance that defines the Biafran struggle. Despite facing adversity, Biafrans continue to stand firm in their quest for self-determination and freedom. This evil Nigerian terrorist government that came to Biafra land to destroy Biafran people, to install fear in them, will not work, as Biafran Defense Forces are right now doing the needful in Biafra land in making sure Biafra is safe and secured. This conflict holds significant importance for all Biafran people and their struggle for independence. It is a symbol of their ongoing resistance against the Nigeria Zoo Army and their refusal to be silent or oppressed. The outcome of these confrontations will not only impact the people of Biafra, but will also reverberate throughout the entire Biafra community, inspiring others to continue the fight for freedom and self-determination. In times of crisis and conflict, it is crucial for Biafran people in Biafra land to stand strong and support one another. This is the time to stand together, support one another in solidarity and unity as Biafran army continue to deal with these invaders mercilessly in Biafra land. This is the time for us to come together and support the Biafran Defense Forces led by Prime Minister Simon Ekpa to make sure that Biafra land remain safe for all Biafrans, indigenous and residents. Right now, they are receiving what they are looking for in Biafra land. as we await the outcome of these latest confrontations, let us keep the Biafran Defense Forces in our thoughts and prayers. Their struggle is not just on their own, but it is a reflection of the larger fight for justice and equity. We must continue to support this cause and stand in solidarity with them as they face this latest threat to free our people, to defend our land against these invaders. Zoo army right now, they are collecting heavy water. We told them that the time like this will come. The time will come when the Biafran Defense Forces will be doing the needful, as they are doing right now, in making sure the Biafra land is safe from all these evil attackers. They came to Biafra land with war, thinking that it will be business as usual, thinking that it will be on their favor, it will go on their favor. But right now, they are getting what they bargained for. The Biafran Liberation Army and the Biafran resistance fighters are doing the needful, ready to defend the land and the properties of Biafran people. It is crucial for all of Biafran people to show support, to stand in solidarity with the Biafran Liberation Army, to make sure that our life, our properties, our land are defended as they are doing right now. You see, the Zoo army, they are right now confused. They are right now confused because of what is happening to them. Like I said before, they weren't expecting what is happening to them right now. They thought it's going to be easy for them to take over Biafra land. But the bravery and the determination of the Biafran Defense Forces in Biafra land is a shining example to all who seek justice and freedom in the face of the oppression. Right now, we must all stand together in support of our gallant men in their quest to save, secure Biafra land. The boys, the gallant men, they are doing wonderful. Wonderful. Omaje, they are doing wonderful. I don't even have words to describe what these people are doing. So we must come together to show support to our gallant men for their effort in securing our land. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.